Fanindra, do you know how to share your resume? Can you share it on screen?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Are you on a mobile or a laptop?
Laptop, sir.
Okay, then you can keep your cam on, share your resume. Oh, that
Yes,
was
sir.
good. That was quick.
Sir, is it visible, sir?
It is visible. I thought you wanted to work in TCS. Looks like you want to work in a BPO.
I'm sorry, sir.
You want to work in TCS as a software engineer or as a call center executive?
So I can TCS engineer, software
Then what
engineer.
is that? Then what is that career objective?
I will change.
Career objective is impressive, except the first line. Secure a job as a customer service representative. Why would you put that?
I will change.
Yeah. Secure a job as a software programmer, software engineer, IT professional, which will enable to use my communication skill. Rest is excellent, by the way,
Yes, sir.
but error in title. Okay. Okay. Could you scroll down a little?
Yes.
9.99% to 6.9%. How did that happen, Fanindra?
Sir, 3.939, 9.39, sir.
That's what, yeah, 9.3 to 6.9. How did that happen? That's a huge jump of almost 30%, 20%.
Yes, sir.
How did that happen? Tell me the story. Why did your percentage come down?
As I'm a, as I'm joining BTech because of I have innovative thoughts. For that I reason I joined BTech. So for that point of view, my project has done, and I deviated somewhat to my project details. Like that, my education academics has become decreases.
So what is your target score for engineering overall?
Overall 75, sir. 75.
Is it possible, Fanindra, till third year you have 6.9 and for 4 years 75?
Maybe I will definitely sure that 72% I will get, sir.
72 is possible, but I don't think 75. It's not impossible, but if you get around 99 marks in all the subjects in engineering final year, then your overall 4 years will come to 75.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. Could you tell me about your project?
Yes, sir. I done my project in the basis of solar power degree report for irrigation farm monitoring. So the main objective of this project is it helps to the farmer like seeding, watering, and it uses to in main application is it uses to perform a task which is done by the farmer anytime like a seeding, sir, and plugging and seeding, and also a water supplying, sir. Nowadays farmers are doing in night time also, night shifts also for watering the irrigation of plants. So on that time our agri-board help us to the help to the farmer to to avoid the presence of farmer in the farm, and like doing automatically by IoT device or satellite communication. We can monitor our agri board through the phones.
Interesting. That's a very interesting project. But how is the system able to sense all this? What have you used hardware?
So my hardware devices are Arduino and some like a sensor human uh, what moisture sensor and gyrometer sensor and temperature UV sensor. We are used for ultrasound center. If are using the tracking the object like this, any obstacle is there. For that I used ultraviolet sensors, ultrasonic sensor for irrigation like watering the plants. We use the soil moisture sensor how to so monitor to sense the water presence or not. On that way the sensor is used, sir, and it comes to the Arduino. We use the Arduino Uno board. On that point of view, the Arduino board connected to the IoT to the GPRS, and it will sense that data to the farmer through the apps, like how much water is there, where it located, and when the estimated time to complete the farm irrigation. We send data like that.
So your project basically is focused on multiple sensors giving reports to the farmer on the mobile.
Yes, sir.
Let's say the sensor detected that there is no moisture and the message is being sent.
Yes, sir.
Does
So
your
on the
project turn on the water supply also, or should the farmer come and do it?
no, sir. My automatically sense it have a threshold values, sir. And by threshold values, if the threshold value is down, sir, then the water is automatically on through the. We have a tank on it. The agribot have a tank on it, and that will spits the water onto the plants.
Hmm. And
We
what
can
have you
save water
used
also.
for coding?
So we used Arduino programming.
Okay, why Arduino?
Sir, Arduino is like a prototype, no, sir. But Arduino is a very easy, and you can code easily, so. So on that purpose, we use the Arduino programming.
Any IR sensors that you have used?
Sir, IR sensor is also is equal to the ultrasonic sensor, no, sir. That's why you use ultrasonic sensors rather than, because of IR sensor has a low prediction value than the ultrasonic sensor.
Are you familiar with Raspberry Pi?
Sir, I know. Yes, sir. I'm not sure, but it is like a Arduino programming. It is updated one.
So you haven't used any
I
sort of
haven't.
Raspberry so far.
No, sir.
If given a chance, would you like to try?
Yeah, yeah, I will sure, sir. Because I have to explore many things for that one. I have to do it, sir. I have
So
gained
what
experience.
is your focus on, Fanindra? You would like to get into the Arduino or the hardware sensing part, or you would like to get into IT?
IT.
So what are you doing to prepare yourself for IT?
So I'm going to prepare IT I'm in two ways, sir. I learned. I'm very keen interest in my passion and about cloud services, sir. So I'm learning AWS developer course, sir, in Udemy. So on that basis, I want to become my short term goal is to become a AWS cl- cloud practitioner certified, and also a cloud developer certificate as soon as possible in the fourth year, sir.
So how are you doing this course through the online portal? How much time do you spend on it?
So I spend daily to 1 hour, sir.
I mean, what time do you do it?
So even evenings after my college, I will take care of online courses.
Any idea what is a snowball in
So,
AWS?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm learning, sir. So and some point of it, then I will, sir.
Sure, but do you at least have an idea what is snowball?
So, maybe sorry, sir. I don't know,
You,
sir.
all right. And why did you specifically choose AWS?
So, in my point of view, AWS is one of the booming and topmost cloud service platform in our entire the globe, sir. If we learn any cloud AWS certified, if we become a AWS certified, then we can have a huge range of opportunities in the cloud platform companies, sir. Rather than if we use Microsoft Cloud, Google are. If you are certified as AWS, it is the one is topmost side is having a minimum. Between ratio between the Microsoft and it has a 20% difference between the Microsoft and AWS. Yeah, AWS is the highest platform. That's why I choose AWS to learn cloud platform company.
Are you familiar with the term called Cloud Watch?
Cloud watch. I listen, sir, but I don't know, sir.
All right. Any idea about Amazon RDS?
Sir, till now I completed IAM, sir, services only, sir.
Okay. And any understanding on VPC, Virtual Private
VPC
Cloud?
Virtual Private Cloud. Virtual Private Cloud is a security service, sir, which we have a which we, for example, if we can create a S3 bucket, and it has a security. We should have a security encryption on it. So you can use a VPC for your private cloud. We can get a VPC for your security purpose, sir.
Last question. SAS, DAS, PAS. Does it ring any bell?
SaaS pass.
SaaS, BaaS.
Yes. SaaS PaaS. Software as a service, platform as a service, platform, sir, software as a service, platform as a service,
DaaS.
infrastructure as a service.
Yeah. And what is DaaS?
Sir, DaaS, DASS. I'm sorry, sir, I don't.
Data. Data as a service.
Data as a service.
Interesting. It looks like your AWS knowledge is pretty good. And how about Python? Any knowledge on that?
So I'm having a little bit of Python knowledge.
How about C or OOPS concepts?
So minimum I have little bit. I am having a little bit basics. That's for
Little bit on C or OOPS or both.
both.
Pick one. I'll ask you questions on that. Think carefully.
By oops.
OOPS concepts.
Yes.
What is OOPS?
Sir, oops is a object oriented programming, sir. Why you have to choose oops means C is a procedure oriented program and also is a top to bottom approach, sir. If if oops is a bottom to top approach means if we can create a object, if we have a end result on your mind, we can easily find the solution to the object, sir. For example, on that basis, oops concept is a very important to programming, sir.
Can you explain to me the different constructors in OOPS?
Constructors like a
Default constructor, copy
int
constructor.
int IT example.
Explain, okay?
Sir, int IT is a default constructor, sir. Is a self means call. It is a sorry, sir. I'm not familiar with that, sir.
Any idea about the difference between a class and a method?
Sir, class is a type of we can create a class based upon objects. Sir. Method means the method is a higher class than the class. In method we have so many classes, sir.
Fair enough. Very good update on technical part. Now let us look at the personal part. Satya
Yes.
Fanindra is a team player or a team leader?
So in my point of view, I learned so many. I'm a team leader, sir.
So you would like to lead a team in your first job?
Yes, sir.
But that's not possible, Fanindra. A fresher, how would a fresher become a leader in a company?
So I'm very happy to become a team member because if I learn so many in the point of view of a company, I'm very happy to learn and to become a leader, sir.
So what you want is leadership, not team member.
Sir,
You want to be a leader, but not a member.
I'm not sure. I'm not to become a only leader, sir. If I am become a member, then automatically I become a leader, no, sir. For gaining experience, then I become a leader, no, sir.
In what duration do you want to become a leader, Fanindra?
Sir, I am a quick learner and a enthusiasm person in technical skills and also my person in any new technologies. So if I became if we give a chance, if my team leader or my higher authorities give me a chance to learn, then I automatically learn as soon as possible. I will become a team leader, sir.
My question is, in how much time are you expecting to become a team leader?
Minimum 2 years.
Let's say in 2 years, you are not made a team leader. In 3 years, you are not made a team leader. What would you do?
Sir, in my point of view, based upon my knowledge, I surely become a team leader because of my.
I appreciate your confidence. I appreciate your confidence. But what if it did not happen?
If did not happen, I will recheck my what are the mistakes I made, what are the situations I missed to catch up to become a leader, and I will collaborate with my higher authorities why I should become a team member than a team leader. I will take care of that process to become a team leader as soon as possible, sir.
And why should TCS hire you?
Sir, TCS hires because of any company or any institution or any country, we should have a young and passionate engineers to work and to learn mainly to which a person having learned which to should learn, sir. Capability of learning. In my point of view, I have learning capability. I'm a quick learner, so that point of view, as my technical skills and my personal skills can help the TCS company, and it can grow, sir. And also my passion as a fresher and a non-IT engineer, so I has a my passionate to learn it new technologies. Yeah, so far you got the knowledge. I have some basic knowledge on cloud. So on that point of view, you can train me anything. You can train me something new technology, and I have a capability to learn and to get a good result output for the company, sir. That's why you can hire me to in TCS.
Manindra, your expectation is in TCS you will be put into cloud. What if we currently do not have an opening in cloud and we want to use you either for testing or for development? What would you do?
Sir, I'm sure, sir. My knowledge, in my point of view, I'm familiar with the cloud. So if I'm familiar with the cloud without any person, I'm learning with my personal interest. I'm learning in online, sir. If you gave him a chance, or if you learned me something new technologies, I'm very fortunate to learn and get our result output for the good result for the TCS company, sir.
Ninja or digital? What is your focus?
Sir, I'm focusing on digital, sir.
How would you compete with the CSC and IT students of other colleges? You being a non-IT student.
Sir, in my as a non-IT background, I have to compete with CSC background means they having a tremendous knowledge on various softwares and various fields. So I have only a basic knowledge and I have a main knowledge only on one platform means I having a only particular thing which can gives me a deeply screwing up to my knowledge and also so course. If it is the particular, I think in my point of view, any one course is deeply screwed up means we can learn anything, sir. So,
Fanindra, how do you want your boss to be, your leader to be in your team?
sir, my boss should be. I think I will accept anything, sir, because my boss should be in any point, anything. He will tell me more work. As a fresher, I am very welcome my boss to be give more work and more work because I'm a fresher to give a more to explore many things like anything, sir. Because of that reason, I want to experience from my knowledge.
Fanindra,
Yes.
would you like to get this job?
So definitely, I'm sure, sir, I'm likely to get this job.
Would you lie? Would you tell lies to get this job?
Lies, sir. Sir, I'm sorry, sir.
Would you lie to get this job? Would you tell lies to get this job?
No, sir, I'm not the lies.
In future, in the company, if there is a conflict between you and a team member,
Yes, sir.
you are working, but your team member is being appreciated. What
Yes,
would
sir.
you do? How would you react?
Sir, in my point of view, appreciation is a thing, is not a mandatory thing to do what we should appreciate. I think my appreciation is not, if I get a knowledge, I can live anything, anywhere, anything. So if my knowledge is not hidden, sir, knowledge is a fire. In my point of view, maybe one chance, two chances that she will get or he will get. But at the last, I will take the chance or not. I'm not I'm not taking only appreciations than a knowledge, sir. I'm only expecting knowledge and experience only, sir.
So appreciation is not necessary, is it?
Not mandatory, sir. I think in my point of view, it's not mandatory, sir.
See, can you tell me about a time when you put your team's benefit before your personal gain?
Sir, if a chance, for example, we have to complete a work within a 3 hours, someone system is crashed. So in that point of view, I will take a help, and if I'm a member, I will come. I will tell to the team members to help project to submit our project in time because of some X person having a issue. On that point of view, I will take care of that work as a teamwork, and I will work for the company rather than my personal choice.
What is the biggest misconceptions your classmates might have on you, Fanindra?
Now, what is the misconceptions means? I'm learning new things a lot from online sources, sir. I'm sending many links to my classmates, my faculty, my friends also, but they are thinking that I'm only learning that, but they are not even seeing my messages. Rather than they saying that hey you, you are not telling to me what is the happening. They are telling me, sir. So they even show they see messages also, sir, what I have kept.
Who's your good friend in your class? Can you name one person?
Yes, sir, Sai Kumar.
If I ask Sai Kumar one quality that he doesn't like in Satya Fanindra, what answer would Sai Kumar give?
Sir, my yeah, if I ask my friend Sai Kumar, he will say definitely one thing, sir. Uh, he will say improvement from Satya Fanindra, not the bad quality rather than saying. He say we are definitely can definitely switching the minds, like doing a different multitasking, sir. Recently he said that you are doing a correct way rather than doing all the things like learning news or learning new things rather than taking in one thing, sir.
Okay. If
Multitasking, he
you
will.
are given a chance, Fanindra, if you are given a chance to develop something in your college,
Yes,
what
sir.
would you like to change or develop?
Definitely, sir. I will change a couple of things, sir. One, every every member, every classmate I facing that is a of supplementary examination, sir. They don't even know that what is the mid marks or something blah blah blah. If one click, we should have a all the percentages and also mid marks and all these things in a one platform. Like I have created in my blog, and I am creating to update my blog, like taking a in roll number and having all the semesters records and percentages as a CGPA, sir. And also I want to take care my college guest lectures. Guest lectures are very important than the teaching the lessons, sir, because guest lectures give me a importance of the subject, and also a tremendous and also anonymous knowledge on this subject, like what is the minimum thing and what is the updated version in the market and industry, sir. If you learn
Fanindra,
this, yes,
how long do you plan to work in TCS?
sir, as as my career, sir, because TCS is a good company, and also having a good if I having a good knowledge and having good knowledge, right, so my position will update it. No, sir, that's why I will become a I will software in this company, sir, till my life.
I didn't understand your answer. Could you try it again? Relax. How long do you plan to work in TCS?
How long? Sir, I will work. My position will update it, means I will work as long as possible, sir.
So if it is not updated, you will leave immediately. 2 years you want to become team leader. If you don't become team leader, you will leave. That's
So,
what
no,
you
sir.
said.
If it is my fault, then I will rectify, sir. If my fault is not there in the list, then why should we not update it? I will question, sir. I will request to the my authorities for a extinction, sir, because I'm also learning new things. I'm doing good things. Then becoming a team member is not a
Any plans of further studies?
no, sir.
So you think there's nothing more to study?
I think I have to improve my knowledge on clouds. I'm learning only cloud.
You're not planning to go abroad and pursue MS perhaps?
If a chance given by the teachers, I will definitely go in MS. I will go abroad and take care MS in cloud means.
Fanindra, what are your salary expectations?
Sir, as per the company norms.
Would you work for a lesser pay?
Sir,
Would you work for a lesser pay?
lesser,
Less pay.
less pay. Definitely, sir.
All right. Do you have any questions for me, Fanindra?
Mm. Sir, if what are the positions are opening now, sir, in TCS system?
Oh, there are too many positions. You can simply log on to careers.tcs. You would find multiple positions for freshers. There are at least around 1400 positions available.
Okay, thanks. Thanks.
Fanindra, that's the end of the mock interview. You have done extremely well. Very good. Relax a little more when you're giving answers. Sometimes you get overexcited.
Yes.
Otherwise, it was absolutely good. And in fact, I think this is the longest mock that I have taken.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Normal time is 10 minutes, but I think with you, we went almost to like 25 minutes.
Oh, really, sir?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you,
Right.
sir.
All right, Fanendra. All the best, dear.
Thank you so much, sir, for interviewing me, sir.
My pleasure.
May I leave, sir?
Sure.